Leading lines are a staple of landscape photography, and you'll always find them walking through the woods. What I really like about this particular curve in the path is that you can't really see where it's going, which makes it feel a bit mysterious, a bit dramatic. So our frame here, we're going to put this curve in the path just over on the left-hand side to give our trees and our woodland lots of room to breathe, and it's going to give us a bit of context for the shot. We're also going to make sure that we don't cut off the detail. The very bottom of this tree here needs to be living somewhere in the frame. And what we end up with is an image where the straight vertical lines on these trees on the right-hand side are really well kind of contextualized and offset by this curve in the path.